Namaste. I Riddhi Viraj, nuclear engineering student from India, again presenting one video on the topic of nuclear energy. As a student of Modi University, when I visited my university first time after pandemic physically, the huge infrastructure was in front of me. Many workers in this pandemic got an opportunity in my university to enrich our infrastructures, which are coming from various social and different community backgrounds and working under safe conditions. Returning back to my topic, I was very curious to know their point of view on the term electricity, how energy is important in one's life. I first met the constructor worker Geeta Devi. She is one of the important member of our university because she is constructing the classrooms in which I am studying. So I asked them the question and their answer was, बेटा अगर बिजली होती है तो काम चलता है और अगर बिजली चली जाती है तो काम बीच में रुक जाता है. This shows that how energy is important to them, and if they got to know that their energy is providing by the nuclear energy, it will not only provides the cleaner energy but also it gives cleaner environments, and it will help them to continue their works and to sustain their life and to run their families because many women are working in my universities. Then I went to my hostels and I asked the same question to the Baiji which are working in my hostels. They are coming from the near villages which are near to my universities, and their answer was, बेटा अगर बिजली होती है तो हम यूनिवर्सिटी आते हैं और काम कर पाते हैं और अपना घर चला पाते हैं. This shows that how electricity is important in women's life in India, and not only in India but in other countries also. We use electricity. Then I asked the same questions to my friend circle. So they answer me that Riddhi, we can create the electricity from the coal. So I counter question them by asking, did you know about the coal crisis of India which has happened this year? And they were gave different answers. So I told them that one way in which we can solve this problem is by adopting the nuclear energy. It will not only provides cleaner form of energy and in continuous manner, but it also gives the cleaner environments. As a budding engineers, we need energy for our career growth and development. Then I went to my classrooms and I asked questions to my professors that apart from being used in a nuclear reactors, how can we use nuclear? And they said it's a wide applications. We use radioisotopes in medical industries, in health industries, in NDTs, non-destructive testings, which shows that how nuclear industry is vast. Currently, India have 22 nuclear reactors running successfully, and as our main goal is to increase this percentage and to get 22,000 megawatt of electricity by 2031 by the nuclear energies. This chart shows that nuclear power, the radiation is so less from the aviations. So, we should adopt nuclear energy to cure earth lethargy. And let us take the example to take adopt nuclear energies and make India a nuclear power country, so that to produce cleaner form of energy and cleaner environment also. At last, I would like to end with one of the famous quote of Marie Curie and the message that Baiji have
नबी
you.
की ऊर्जा के साथ हूँ मैं नबी की ऊर्जा के साथ हूँ मैं नबी के ऊर्जा के साथ हूँ